Here's the one thing you need to consider before going solar. Reduce before you produce. Now, what do I mean by reduce before you produce? Reduce your energy consumption before determining how many solar panels you're going to need on your home. See, if you currently go in and you want to install solar, but you have inefficient appliances, inefficient air conditioning, heating equipment, if you have inefficient pool equipment and things of that nature, your home has duct leakage is what we call, or leakage between the attic space and the living space, you don't have proper insulation, you're going to be using a lot more electricity than you need to. And so if you really want to get energy efficient, if you really want to reduce your carbon footprint, if you really want to go solar, you need to reduce before you produce. Make sure you have a variable speed pool pump if you have pool equipment. Make sure you have a newer, more efficient heating and air conditioning system. Make sure you have Energy Star appliances. Make sure your house is properly insulated. These are just a few of the things that you really need to look into and invest in before investing in solar. Once that's done, make the investment in solar. You're going to need a lot less panels to produce the energy for your home. You're going to save on your solar installation. You're going to have a more energy efficient home. Everybody wins. You win, the environment wins, you have more comfort, you're saving money. And look, right now with the whole net metering stuff where it's horrible what you get back, what the utility pays you to buy back your energy or buy the overproduction of your energy. You really don't want to overproduce. I look at it a lot like taxes, right? The perfect scenario is you don't owe the government any money, tax season, and you don't get any money back. Why? Because you didn't overpay, right? You didn't loan the government any money at zero interest. So not getting a return is great. Not overproducing electricity beyond what you need to consume and store in your batteries is fantastic as well. So something serious to consider, reducing before you produce. The other thing you want to take into consideration is what is your future looking like? Are you going to have an electric vehicle? Are you going to have a car charger in the home? Things of that nature. So make sure you reduce before you produce.